Hello and welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making some personalised Christmas coasters that actually can be used as placemats so people know where to sit at Christmas. So they have a dual real use because people can use them and know where to sit. They can then use them to put their glass on. And then actually, if you want, they can take them home as a little additional gift. So I'm going to be using circular ones. And I'm going to be using this glittery cardstock to make the personalised information or sticker or labels to go inside the resin. So without too much further ado, let's get on with it. As you can see, now we've got those and they will go inside the coasters, and then we'll decorate those up a little bit as well. So I've sealed these now using a clear tape and ensuring that they're nicely sealed so the resin won't affect the actual picture itself. And I fussy cut around them as well and made sure that's pressed on really tightly. If you want to see how I do that, then pop and have a look at this video above. And I show how I do that in that video. So there the edges done on both of them. Okay. Because what I want to use that for is I want to use that for actually sticking the transfer down with. So now I'm going to take my little disc, pop that in there. And that one, it doesn't matter what way round they go because they are circular after all. And pop that in there. Okay, I'm going to make sure they're nice and central, or as central as possible. And then I'm going to leave those in there to cure for a little bit longer. And then I will pour on the final coat of resin. So I'll probably leave them about an hour, and then I'll pour on the final backing of resin, which will be in a different colour. Now these have set nicely with the stickers quite flush and they've started to firm up the rims. I'm going to pour in a epoxy resin coloured with green mica, because green is quite Christmassy, apparently. As a colourblind person, I do find it quite difficult to identify the colours, as I've mentioned before. So I'm going to top these up with green, and then we'll see how they come out. Hopefully this will come out lovely. And I've used a mica powder, a green mica powder called Pistachio, to colour this resin with. So I'll let that settle for a little while, and then I'll get rid of those bubbles that are on the top, and then let these cure for probably about, I don't know, 24 hours, and then we will be able to take them out the moulds and see what they've come out like. These have been curing now for 24 hours, so we can take these out of the moulds and see how they are. Oh dear, that one didn't come out very well. Hopefully this one... Oh, that's come out a bit better. Unfortunately, this one didn't come out very well because what's happened is this antique gold that I've put around the edge obviously wasn't set enough when I poured the clear resin over the top, and as a result it has bled through here. So, you know, that happens sometimes if you're a little bit impatient, which is a bit annoying. But that one has come out okay. I actually don't mind the fact that there's a little bit of gold on it there. The trees still come out well. You can still read the Merry Christmas, and you can still read the Mum as well on there. So that's a personalised coaster. And imagine that was a glass, so you can have that there, and you can pop that there. So what I will do is I am going to continue to make some more, and what I will make sure I do is I will pour tonight this rim, and then I won't pour the rest on it until tomorrow. And the backs have come out quite pleasant as well, so they're looking quite nice. So I'm hoping this one has come out absolutely perfect. So let's have a look. Oh, and there we go. I'm really, really pleased with that. Thank goodness one has come out. And I'm really pleased with how that's come out. As you can see, it clearly shows Mum. There's a little rose in there and a little package as well I've put in. And actually, using that technique, there's hardly any bubbles at all. And also, it's got quite a 3D effect with the rose behind the parcel and the Mum there. So, thank goodness it worked out. I'll be making more of these ready for Christmas Day, so everybody can have one, so they know where they sit, and also they can put their drink on it as well. Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. So today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to be using some resin, but when I bought my little dryer for my alcohol inks, obviously it's one of those heated air brushes, it came with this. And this is the brush that you put through your hair. Look at me, I so pretty. Am I pretty? Oh, I might keep this. Oh, must have a bit of resin in there. Oh, and the colours I'm going to be using, I think today, are blue, gold, and I don't know, perhaps another colour. I haven't decided yet. So wait and see. Please enjoy this video. That last one wasn't Jacob, that was a pour. Can you hear Lily barking? She wants her tea, but it's a bit early, so she's standing outside my studio barking. No. She can't hear me. I don't know why I say no to her, really. Okay, so that's mixed in. So I'm just going to pour into this now. I don't know why I pour. Let's zoom into that one a little bit. Lily, shh, out. I'm recording. And as you can see, that is sealed up quite nicely. Right the way through there. Especially there, and that's given quite a lovely pattern to it. So please enjoy this video and engage. I'm doing the pattern as I'm doing it on there, other than I just like it. I just like making a pattern. Hello, I'm Steve. Hello, I'm Steve, and welcome to my Arts and Crafts channel, Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. Hello, I'm Steve, and paint, but mostly I make jewellery and like to produce paintings. So, Hello, I'm Steve. Welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts YouTube channel. I'm just doing this little introductory video so you know who I am and what I do. So this is my studio around. It's not very big. It's a summer house in my garden, but it's brilliant for me. You can take a studio tour if you click the video above. I do lots of different things. I work quite a lot with resin, so I do some casting, I do some pouring. I also work with alcohol inks. I make a lot of different jewelleries, I work with oil pastels and different things. So I love having a go. And what you'll mainly see me doing is experimenting. I love experimenting. Arts and crafts, Revit, and I can't speak. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.